replace the filters and the RO membrane, all you need is a screwdriver and a clean rag. First, replace the pre-filters. There are two pre-filters, a PP filter and a carbon filter. When the LED indicator light flashes red, it is time to change the pre-filters. Before replacing the filters, run one cycle with no water in the supply pitcher. This will release water and pressure from the filters. When the light is steady yellow, you can replace the filters. Unplug the power cord. Unscrew the two screws on the back of the purifier and remove the back cover. Unscrew the first stage filter, remove it, and replace it with a new filter. Unscrew the second stage filter, remove it, and replace it with a new filter. Post-filter replacement. Pull the post filter out from the retaining clips. Before replacing, note the flow direction indicated on the filter label. To remove the connector fitting, push the collet ring in toward the filter. While holding the collet ring in, slide the fitting out of the filter. Repeat the same procedure to remove the fitting from the other end of the filter. Replace with a new post filter. Pay close attention to the direction of flow indicated by the arrow on the outside of the filter. Push the connector fittings into the filter as far as they can go into the connection. Push the post filter back into the retaining clips. Replace the back cover to complete the post filter replacement. Plug the power cord back in. To reset the filter replacement timer, press the control button and hold it in for about 5 seconds. When you hear 2 beeps, this indicates that the system pre-filter timer is reset. After changing the post filter, do not drink the water from the first 2 filtration cycles. After the second cycle, remove the pure water pitcher and clean it. Use tap water to clean the pure water reservoir and supply pitcher. The system is now ready to use.